May we have your attention, please? This is the final call for guests. Traveling by 5J4 for 7 bound for Iloilo. Guests, if you were around, please work.
Hello, I'm Teacher Nathan.
And we have just landed. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Iloilo International Airport. We are pleased to announce that we have just landed 18 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival.
Teacher Nathan. Let's learn while having fun. Hi, I'm Teacher Nathan, or simply Mr. A. I hope you're doing good. Have a wonderful day. Are you ready for adventure? Will you join me today? Let's have a talk, let's have a walk, let's travel and let's play. Hello, I'm Teacher Nathan. Let's learn while having fun. Let's go and explore the world with Teacher Nathan. Hello and let's go. Hey, I'm Teacher Nathan. I have something to say. So lend me your ears and don't be afraid. You're wonderful and loved, so put your smile on your face. Come and join me, explore. The best days on the way. Hello, I'm Teacher Nathan. Let's learn while having fun.
Ang aga nun. Ang aga nun.
Teacher Nathan. Hello and let's go. With Teacher Nathan.